What's good everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Gio here, and as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm packing for my holiday, and I'm going away for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm not quite sure how long exactly because I've not bought a return ticket, but basically I need to make sure that I pack almost everything because I do want to film a lot out there, a lot of lookbooks out there, a lot of how to style videos out there. So the suitcase I'm going to be packing is this big ass suitcase you see right here, and I will link this down below in the description, as well as most of the other pieces that I'm going to show you. I'm not going to try them on because the video will be about 20 minutes if I do that. So I'm just going to start from accessories and work my way down to shoes, and yeah, it's going to be quite a lengthy video, so grab a drink, sit back, relax, and if you enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So yeah, let's get into the video and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's start with caps. So the first cap that I'm bringing, as you can see on my head right now, is this Nothing cap by a good friend of mine, J11. So I'm going to be taking that cap. I'm also going to be taking this Sinners Balenciaga cap that you can see right here. I'm also going to be taking this Columbia cap that you can see right here. This was only £18, and I really do just love the colours that are going on here. These two colours right here, it's just really easy to mix with a multiple of different colours. Whether it's a plain white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, a cream t-shirt, you get what I'm saying. So I'm definitely going to be packing this one right here. Also going to be bringing this 51% red prototype cap that you can see right here. Just because, you know, the sun's going to be out, it's nice and bright, nice and red. Well, obviously it's nice and red, you can see that it's red. So I will be packing this one as well. Also, we'll be bringing the same cap but in black, just because you can't go wrong with black caps, and I don't always want to wear this same black cap. So yeah, I'm also going to be bringing this bucket hat. It's actually more of a like jungle safari type bucket hat, but I probably will buy maybe like 2 more bucket hats at the airport if I can find some, but I'm not quite sure. And yeah, that's about it for hats, so let's move on to accessories. So the first pair of glasses that I'm going to be bringing on holiday are these Gucci Moda sunglasses. These are very old, as you can see, they're vintage, so they are not in the best condition, but they do give off a cool type of look. You know, it's really hard to find glasses that suit me, but I think these don't look too bad. So I'm going to be bringing these ones right here. Obviously, because they're vintage, I can't really, you know, provide a link to buy these ones, but I can provide a link to buy these big ass glasses I have here from Weekday. These are unisex, so I'm not quite sure how many of you are going to feel about these. I'm not even sure how I actually feel about these, but I'm going to wear them because they are quite sick and I do like the colour. And you know, when you're in the sun relaxing and that sun's just too bright in your eyes, you do need some sunglasses. But my favourite pair that I'm going to be bringing, which are actually the cheapest pair, are these right here, which I found in Brick Lane Market. And yeah, these are just really cool, man. I love these sunglasses. So yeah, that's enough on sunglasses. Let's move on to the tops and the shirts and the tees that I'm going to be bringing. Okay, so on to tees. I've got this lovely cream next tee right here. If you want to know where this is from, go and check out my best t-shirt videos, because I've got all these type of tees linked down below in the description to that video. I also have the same one here, but in this yellow. And you know, it's summer now, we need all these bright colours. So if you want any of these tees that I'm showing right here, make sure to go check out my best t-shirt video down in the description. I'll put the link. I've also got this Weekday tee that you lot might have seen me wearing on Instagram that says working hard but hardly working, which fits really nice. I like the cream and the green font on it. I just think it goes really well. I've also got here this bright red tee that I got from COS about 2 years ago. I got this. I know it's a bit creased because I've not ironed it, but it just shows you that COS, the quality really does hold up good. But yeah, this is really nice and bright, and you know, you gotta love red pieces. Next up, we've got this polo tee here that I'm going to be bringing, which is from Zara. This was only £25. I'm not sure if this will still be in stock, but if I can find it, I'll put the link down below. And you know, I love polos, especially with this open type of collar. It's just really my type of vibe, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be packing this. Speaking of Zara, I have another shirt here that you guys have probably seen me wear in one of my lookbooks quite a while back. And once again, I just love the colour on this. I'm really trying to come with them bright colours when the sun's out, you know. And you should also do the same, because it just looks really good, you know, when it's hot. Now these pieces here, if you've watched my previous video, which was an affordable clothing haul, then you would have seen this lovely mustard polo that I've got from Zara, and you would have also seen the same one button khaki green right here, which I'm going to be bringing. Nice and relaxed, loose fitted. You know, I don't want no tight things on my body when the heat is really hitting you, because that's just a myth. Another shirt here from Topman, this lovely baby blue type of shirt, which you would have also seen in my latest video, which is the affordable clothing haul. So if you want to cop these, the links for these ones will be in that video, so go and check that video out. I'm also going to be bringing this black Caldwell tee, which I'm sure many of you have seen me wear in videos before, but there's a lot of dusty shit on this. I think I need a lint roll or something like that. That's the thing with black, man, it just gets peaked sometimes. And for the last shirt that I'm bringing, this is actually one of my favourite shirts. I just love this so much, man. I've had it for years. I got it from a vintage shop in Shoreditch, and yeah, it's just really cool. The print is just crazy, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, I've also got this Burberry tee here that I've never worn, which was a gift from someone, but I think I might wear it on holiday. It's just plain, but I do love them colours they got going on there. So yeah. Obviously I will be packing some essential plain tees, plain white tees, plain grey tees, plain black tees, which are from Uniqlo or from Next. So, you know, I just find it better to overpack than underpack, because I don't want to get to where I'm getting and then I'm like, oh shit, I wish I packed this, I wish I packed that, because that would just be a myth. But yeah, that's it for the top half. Let's get onto the trousers and the shorts that I'm going to be packing. Okay, so now onto the trousers. Of course, you know I'm going to bring this. This is going to be more for like the night time. Hopefully it don't get too hot. And that's my Izumiyaki pleated trousers. These are my favourite trousers ever, just because they don't crease. You can scrunch them up, throw them around. They're just not going to crease. They're always just going to stay nice and pleated because of that heat print right there. So they are essential, and I will definitely be bringing those. Onto a more relaxed wide type of pair now. I've got these Uniqlo trousers, which I'm going to be bringing just because this is like dad kind of beach vibes with these, because they're really wide. I could probably wear these with some sandals or maybe some Air Force Ones or even Triple S, but I'm not going to be wearing Triple S's on holiday because that is just too much weight and I'm just going to be too hot. Next up, from Zara, as you might have seen in some of my previous videos, these cream denim crop trousers. I actually got these for £15 on sale, and these are just very wavy, but these will be for the night time when it gets a little bit cooler, because I doubt I can wear these during the day because it would just be way too hot. Next up, these white pinstripe trousers from Uniqlo. These are actually women's, but when you see me wear these and the way I wear these, you'll never think they're women's. You'll probably think they're men's, but they're actually not. And yeah, these are just really clean, really white. I'll probably wear these with that polo that I showed you, just to go for that nice, clean, white cream look. But yeah, these are another one of my favorites, this pair. I just really love these. They're just really essential, can go with many different things. And yeah, some people feel weird about wearing white trousers, but don't feel weird about it, man, it's all cool. Next up, from Uniqlo again, but these are much more wider, and these will be definitely for the night time and when it gets a bit more cooler. These brown type of cropped chinos, which I think are really sick and really essential as well. And last but not least, if you watched my previous video, you would have saw these women's trousers from Topman, or Topshop, because they are for females. But you know, me being a male, you can still wear these because the fit is on point. But I'm going to do a video more on men wearing women's pieces, because a lot of people are they're not really on that. So I want to talk about that a bit, because I feel like more people should get onto it, I'm not going to lie. Two pairs of shorts here that you would have seen. These are actually both from Primark. Like, these were only £10 each. You know, don't be ashamed to go to these cheaper stores, because sometimes they do actually have stuff that are worth the cop. And if you're just going on a holiday and you just quickly want some shorts or something to wear, then, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, then these are perfect, you know? Okay, so that's basically all the clothing. Let's get onto the shoes now. I don't know if I'm coming up red or what, but I am sweating because this light from the camera is just making me sweat. And obviously I've got to keep the windows closed because it will be picking up noise from outside. But yeah, but onto shoes now. We have the CDG Nike Dunks, and these shoes, one of my favorites. I do love them, especially that they're transparent and they're just a sick overall essential shoe that I just very needed for holiday. Probably gonna wear these with some shorts, some white socks. You kind of know what vibe I'm kind of going for with these. But yeah, I love these shoes, man. You probably already guessed, Air Force Ones. Of course, I'm going to be bringing Air Force Ones on holiday. And these are Coldwell Air Force Ones. They are the ones I'm going to be bringing just because the colorway is just so on point and it can go with many of the trousers that I showed you. So these will definitely be getting rocked on holiday. And if I didn't have these, I would have just went and copped a plain white pair just because the Air Forces are just so essential and can go with a lot of shit. Suiko sandals, I will be wearing these on holiday without socks. There's no way you're going to catch me wearing socks with these sandals in the heat. Unless it's like nighttime and it's a bit more cooler, you know, I'm going to have to get the toes out, man. Because socks and sandals in the sun, in 30 degrees, that's just a bit too hot. So yeah, I'll definitely be rocking these with socks and without socks. Let me be honest, man. Vans. Now I was going to bring my old school black and white Vans, but these ones here, the sole is made out of a different material. I think it's called Ultra Cush because it's like ultra cushioned, and these are just very lightweight. And you know, if I don't want to get my kicks dirty and I want some beaters to just kick around in, then these Vans are definitely going to be the one. And then for the last pair that I'm going to be bringing on holiday, another pair of my favorites, the off-white Nike Prestos, just because they can go with so many different outfits, so many different trousers, so many different shorts. You already know the deal with these. So that is it for this video. Hopefully I can keep this video around 10 minutes, not too long, not too short. And yeah, like I said, by the time you watch this, I will be on holiday already. And I will be filming while I'm out there, whether it's going to be some sort of vlogs. Definitely going to do some lookbooks while I'm out there, some how to style videos. I'm definitely trying to film much more videos these days. I'm trying to aim for 2 videos a week. I'm out of breath. But yeah, I'll see you lot in my next video, and until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay productive.